We are discussing about the GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this is one more question related to electronics. The breakdown voltage of a transistor with its base open is BVCEO, and that with emitter open is BVCBO. Then the relation between these two things: A, both may be equal, BVCEV greater than BVCBO, C, BVCEO less than BVCBO, D, not related. Okay, the correct option for this one is C. BVCO is lesser than BVCBO. Generally, whenever we are going with a transistor, okay, transistor will be consisting of three terminals: emitter, base, and collector. So this is base and emitter and collector. The same transistor, whenever if you buy a transistor, it will be provided with a data sheet where it is going to be indicating what is the IC maximum value, what is the maximum power dissipation it can tolerate. These are the two important ratings every transistor if you buy, it will be provided in the data sheet: IC maximum and PD maximum. And remember that one, any transistor can be either configured. If you are buying a transistor, that can be used in common base configuration or common emitter configuration, or the same transistor can be used in common collector configuration. Okay, let us assume we are going with common base configuration. In that way, okay, whenever it is in common base configuration, the power dissipation maximum is defined as, okay, ICBO into BVCBO. This is the relation. Okay, whenever that is in common base, when emitter is the input, that is if it is emitter is open, when emitter is open in common base is common, input is emitter, output is collector. By the time if emitter is open, there will be small reverse saturation current flows because of collector base junction, and that we are assuming, we are taking it as ICBO. So PD maximum is equal to ICBO into BVCBO. Okay, and in case of common emitter is nothing but base is open, okay, and emitter is common, collector is output terminal. So here it is, when base is open, that is we are not applying any voltage, any current. So that PD maximum for this case is going to be defined as what is the maximum reverse saturation current that flows from collector to emitter, that is ICEO, and the breakdown voltage when it will be reaches the maximum power dissipation is nothing but VCEO, BVCEO into ICEO. Okay, ICBO and ICEO, these are the reverse saturation currents. We can define ICBO as, okay, reverse saturation current flowing from collector to base when emitter is open. ICEO is defined as reverse saturation current flowing from collector to emitter when base is open. Okay, and we know the relation between this one: ICEO is equal to 1 plus beta times of ICBO. That is nothing but ICBO is smaller, and generally ICBO is also called as 1 plus beta times of IC naught, also it specifies. So ICEO is larger than ICBO. Whenever ICEO is larger than ICBO, at that time same transistor that can be configured in either common base or common emitter, and PD maximum is also same. Okay, PD maximum is also same, but ICBO is smaller, ICEO is larger. That implies nothing but the product must be constant. From that one we can say BVCBO is going to be larger than BVCEO, since ICEO is larger than ICBO. So that for a given power dissipation for the given transistor, BVCBO is always greater than BVCEO. That is, answer is C. Thank you.